You finish the day exhausted. But when you replay it, nothing dramatic happened. No intense work. No crisis. No major effort. And still, your brain feels full. Heavy. Crowded. So you wonder, why am I tired when I barely did anything? Here's the surprising answer. Modern mental fatigue often comes from thinking without progress. Your brain may be working constantly, even when your body is resting. And once you understand why, you'll start seeing your exhaustion differently. Imagine opening your computer. 20 tabs are running. Some playing videos. Some loading information. Some frozen. Some you forgot about hours ago. Even if you stop touching the keyboard, the system keeps working. Your brain operates in a similar way. Throughout the day, it silently maintains unfinished conversations, future plans, social interpretations, possible problems, decisions you haven't made yet. Neuroscience calls this background cognitive processing. You experience it as mental noise. But biologically, your brain experiences it as unfinished work. From the outside, you may look inactive. Inside, multiple control systems remain engaged. Your mind isn't idle. It's maintaining dozens of open loops at once. Almost a century ago, psychologists discovered something fascinating. Unfinished tasks remain active in memory longer than completed ones. Not because they matter more, but because the brain dislikes uncertainty. In evolutionary terms, unfinished situations could mean danger. If the hunt isn't finished, you might starve. If the threat isn't resolved, you might not survive. Closure meant safety. Modern life rarely provides closure. Emails remain unanswered. Projects stretch for months. Messages wait. Decisions stay open. Your brain keeps asking, should I solve this now? Did I forget something? Is this still important? Each unresolved question requires monitoring. And monitoring consumes energy. Fatigue appears not from effort, but from continuous incompletion. Here's the counterintuitive part. Mental exhaustion rarely comes from intense thinking. It comes from continuous scanning. Your prefrontal cortex, the system responsible for planning and control, constantly evaluates your environment. Every hour, it checks. Is something urgent? Am I missing information? Should I switch tasks? Is there a better option? Most of this happens outside your awareness. But metabolically, control systems are expensive. They require sustained neural activity. So even during moments labeled as rest, your brain may remain in preparation mode. Your body sits still, but your control network stays online. And over time, this silent vigilance accumulates into mental fatigue. Think about a typical evening. You finally sit down. Nothing demands your attention, and yet, calm doesn't fully arrive. Within minutes, you check your phone, remember tomorrow's obligation, replay a conversation, open another tab, think about something unfinished. Nothing stressful happens. But your nervous system never fully powers down. Because rest requires more than inactivity. It requires cognitive closure. If the brain believes something remains unresolved, it maintains readiness. Not stressed, not relaxed. Just waiting. Modern environments rarely signal completion. So the brain never receives permission to disengage. Most people believe fatigue comes from doing too much. But neuroscience suggests another model. Fatigue often comes from carrying too many unresolved demands on attention. Your brain isn't asking for more motivation. It may be asking for fewer open loops. This is why finishing even a small task can feel surprisingly relieving. Completion tells the brain, this loop is closed. Monitoring can stop. And suddenly, mental pressure decreases. Not because life became easier, but because your brain stopped waiting. There's another reason this experience feels so common today. Human brains evolved in environments with clear endings. The day ended at sunset. Tasks ended physically. Conversations ended face to face. Today, information never stops. Notifications extend interactions indefinitely. Digital tasks rarely feel complete. Opportunities remain permanently open. Your brain evolved for completion. Modern life delivers continuity. So your cognitive system remains partially engaged almost all the time. What feels like personal exhaustion is often a mismatch between ancient neural design and modern informational environments. You don't always need more rest. Sometimes you need completion. Close one tab. Finish one small task. Make one pending decision. Not to become more productive, but to give your brain evidence that uncertainty is decreasing. When open loops close, mental energy quietly returns. Your brain feels lighter. Not because you worked less, but because it finally stopped waiting. If you enjoy science that's fast, visual, and straight to the point, subscribe. BioSnap Science that clicks is just getting started.